What if your Mercedes is hiding power you've never unlocked? Hidden settings, MBUX secrets, performance tricks, fuel-saving hacks. Welcome to Mercedes Hidden Tech, the channel built for Mercedes owners who want more. More performance, more control, less expensive surprises, professional maintenance tips, warning lights explained, hidden features unlocked, dealer secrets exposed. Unlock the truth today. Subscribe now to unlock your Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes Hidden Tech. Unlock your Mercedes.
Do you know that many Mercedes owners slowly damage their engine every single day without seeing a single warning light? Not because they abuse the car, not because they ignore maintenance, but because they follow habits that feel completely normal. And what if one of those habits is something you did this morning? Modern Mercedes engines are engineering masterpieces. Turbocharged efficiency, precise electronics, advanced thermal management, sophisticated lubrication systems, intelligent fuel control. But there's a hidden problem. The more advanced the engineering becomes, the less forgiving bad habits become. And today we're exposing the first dangerous mistake almost everyone makes: cold acceleration. This is one of the biggest silent engine killers in modern Mercedes ownership. And the scary part? People think they're being careful. Here's what happens. You start the car. The dashboard looks normal. No warning lights. The engine sounds smooth. So you drive away and within minutes ask for acceleration. Maybe merging, maybe overtaking, maybe just normal urban urgency. But internally, your engine may still be completely unprepared. Oil temperature is not engine temperature. That distinction matters enormously. Coolant warms relatively fast, oil warms much slower, and oil is what protects your engine internals. Turbo bearings, timing components, valve train surfaces, critical lubrication passages. When oil is still thick and cold, protection is reduced. Flow is slower. Clearances behave differently. And heavy acceleration during that period increases stress dramatically. This becomes even more important in turbocharged Mercedes engines. Turbochargers spin at extreme speeds. They rely heavily on proper lubrication. Cold oil plus aggressive demand equals accelerated wear. Will one cold acceleration destroy your engine? Probably not. But repeated behavior over months and years? That's how expensive damage begins. And many owners never connect the dots, because the damage is gradual, silent, invisible. The second dangerous habit? Constant short trips. Modern Mercedes vehicles hate repetitive short driving cycles, especially city-only use. Why? Because the engine often never reaches ideal operating conditions. Oil remains contaminated longer. Moisture accumulates. Fuel dilution becomes more likely. Carbon deposits can increase. Exhaust systems suffer. Battery charging becomes incomplete. Thermal cycles remain unhealthy. And if your Mercedes is turbocharged, the stress multiplies. Short trips are one of the biggest long-term killers of refined modern engines. The worst part, owners think low mileage equals low wear. That's not always true. 10 short, abusive city trips can be worse than one long, healthy highway drive. That surprises many owners. And before we continue, if you enjoy learning hidden Mercedes owner secrets, expensive repair prevention, MBUX tricks, diagnostics, and performance insights most people never discover, subscribe to Mercedes Hidden Tech. For you, it's completely free, but for us, it makes a huge difference and helps us keep building this Mercedes-only channel. Now here's the third habit that destroys engines quietly: ignoring warm-down behavior. This one matters especially after spirited driving. Highway speed, mountain roads, aggressive acceleration, turbocharged driving. When the engine has been working hard, internal heat remains intense. Immediately shutting off the engine can leave heat trapped in critical turbo components. Repeated over time, this contributes to wear. Modern systems are smarter than old cars, yes, but mechanical sympathy still matters. Sometimes simply allowing calm driving for the final minute of your journey helps everything stabilize. It's simple, free, and surprisingly effective. But in part 2, we get into habits that cost owners thousands: oil mistakes, battery neglect, fuel errors, and one helpful habit that actually makes engine wear worse. So what are the habits that quietly turn a healthy Mercedes engine into an expensive repair bill? Let's continue. The fourth mistake is one that sounds responsible: overprotective idling. Many owners believe letting the engine sit and idle for long periods every morning is the safest way to warm it up. It feels logical, protective. Mechanical sympathy, right? Not exactly. Modern Mercedes engines are designed to warm more efficiently under light driving load, not endless stationary idling. At idle, the engine warms slowly. Oil temperature rises inefficiently. Combustion conditions can remain suboptimal longer. Fuel enrichment may last unnecessarily. Carbon buildup becomes more likely over time. And if this becomes a daily routine, you may actually increase wear instead of reducing it. The smarter approach? Start the vehicle. Allow a brief stabilization period. Then drive gently until everything reaches proper operating temperature. Not aggressive, not high RPM, just intelligent movement. That protects the system far better than excessive idling rituals. Now let's talk about oil. This is where expensive mistakes become brutal. Mercedes engines are precision systems. Oil isn't just lubrication, it's cooling, protection, hydraulic function, timing system support, turbocharger survival. Everything depends on it. And yet many owners make two dangerous assumptions. Turbocharger survival. Everything depends on it. And yet many owners make two dangerous assumptions. Mercedes specifies oils for exact reasons: viscosity behavior, thermal resilience. Additive chemistry, long-life compatibility, emission system protection. Modern engines are engineered around those specifications. Using incorrect oil can create wear you never notice until much later. Second dangerous assumption: if the oil still looks okay, it must be fine. Oil degradation isn't always visually obvious. Contamination, fuel dilution, thermal breakdown, additive depletion, microscopic wear particles. Your eyes cannot reliably judge oil health. And stretched oil intervals? That's where long-term damage often begins. Now here's a hidden killer owners rarely suspect: battery neglect. What does battery health have to do with engine longevity? More than most realize. Modern Mercedes vehicles are electronics ecosystems. Sensors, control modules, voltage-sensitive systems, fuel management logic, start/stop systems, adaptive learning behavior. Weak voltage can create unstable operating conditions, delayed startups, odd electrical behavior, poor stop/start cycling, unexpected system stress. Owners often chase mechanical explanations when electrical weakness is the real problem. And now the mistake almost nobody wants to hear: cheap fuel habits. If your Mercedes engine recommends premium fuel, ignoring that recommendation repeatedly can affect smoothness, combustion efficiency, timing behavior, responsiveness, and long-term cleanliness. Will one tank destroy the engine? No. But repeated poor fueling choices absolutely influence long-term behavior. Now for the final hidden truth: driving too gently all the time. That sounds ridiculous. But constant ultra-soft operation can actually encourage carbon buildup. Lazy adaptive behavior, incomplete system exercise, and reduced responsiveness. Modern engines benefit from healthy operating variety. Once fully warm, occasional stronger acceleration helps systems function as intended. Not abuse, not reckless driving, just proper use. Mercedes engineering was built to be driven. And here's the biggest takeaway: most expensive engine failures don't begin with dramatic events. They begin with normal habits repeated thousands of times. That's what makes them dangerous, because they feel harmless. Now you know better, and that knowledge alone can save you thousands.